This is just to let you know that I'm proposing to give an all-day event in person in London on April the 22nd. It's a Saturday, and it will be taking place at the Conway Hall in Red Lion Square. Details about it can be found on my website. My thinking here is that, having published The Matter with Things a bit over a year ago, and it now having gone into paperback, I wanted an opportunity that allowed time to reflect on a number of different angles that my work is both inspired by and may help address, and that this is best done in a day-long event. So what we propose is that I will give a couple of lectures. David Lorimer, who heads up the Scientific and Medical Network, will be in conversation with me, and there will be a long Q&A session for the audience. So it will be between 10 and, say, 4:30 on the Saturday, and I'd love as many of you as possible to come.